का is that मैं इनकी client बहुत सालों से रह चुकी हूँ. Most of my initial machine related work was actually at Kaya. And I think इस institution की सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ ये है कि accessibility Kaya सबको बहुत देता है. एंड मुझे लगता है जो एक शिफ्ट स्पेशली वेयर जो एक एस्थेटिक का शिफ्ट आया टुवर्ड्स वेलनेस, मुझे लगता है काया हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी बिग हैंड इन दैट. सो ट्रूली कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू एंड द एंटायर टीम. एंड जहाँ पे मेरी पर्सनल जर्नी रही है, 10 साल लग गए हैं मुझे to reach here. And I have always believed that you should feel strong and beautiful inside, and that will always reflect outside. And I think जब भी आप body positivity या किसी भी aesthetic change की बात करते हैं, I think that's the first thing that is also said in every consultation. So even for me, my journey has been something that I'm very proud of. मैं हमेशा अपने आप को एक pat in the back देती हूँ, because I feel loving yourself, loving your body is the first step to body positivity.
Apart from this, कैसे स्किन का ध्यान कैसे रखना पसंद करती है?
स्किन का ध्यान सबसे पहले तो जो आप खाते हो वही आपके चेहरे पे दिखता है. दैट इज़ रूल नंबर 1. सबको पता है पानी बहुत पीना चाहिए. बहुत ही सिंपल चीज़ है पर ये बहुत ही रियल चीज़ है. आई थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, गुड स्किन केयर, मेकिंग श्योर कि आपके पास सन प्रोटेक्शन हो. और आज की दुनिया में हमारे पास साइंस बैक्ड इतनी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको टू गेट द काइंड ऑफ स्किन दैट यू वांट आपको हेल्प कर सकती है. एंड एज आई सेड, कम टू अ क्लिनिक लाइक काया एंड यू विल हैव मोस्ट ऑफ योर आंसर्स.
द रॉयल्स की सक्सेस को कितना एंजॉय कर रही हैं?
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रही हूँ. सक्सेस किसे नहीं पसंद. और बहुत मज़ा आता है. इनफैक्ट लिटरली रोज़ मैं अ गुड नंबर ऑफ पीपल से, लोगों से मिलती हूँ जिन्होंने रॉयल्स देखा है, उन्हें बहुत मज़ा आया है देख के. एंड एक ग्लोबल फिनोमेना बन गया है. मेरा पहला शो है. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी फुल ऑफ ग्रैटिट्यूड.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Bhumi, I have a question. Like people usually go for home remedies. So what do you think? Why it is important to like go for a consult a dermatologist?
I think because they are the experts. Absolutely home remedies are great, but I feel the impact is only that much. And that's why when you have a science-backed option available, I would always choose that along with doing whatever you can do at home. I don't think it needs to be a singular approach ever. It should always be a more holistic approach towards what you do with yourself and your body. And look, I've had a very long journey with my body, the way I look at it, with body positivity, and I've taken a lot of help from experts. So I would always recommend do consult.
Okay. Also, I have another question. Like Artica is for it's for body contouring and all. So how common people relate to that? How it is like feasible for common people?
I think the most feasible thing is that today we have options available which weren't available earlier. Again, I keep saying accessibility because so many a times we feel that around us, yaar, hamare paas, we don't have that option. And I feel for common people like everyone over here, we all are on our journeys. We all want to live a healthier life. We all want to live a life where our muscles are toned, we are fit, we all want to be strong, and in that journey of yours, this is something that will aid you very, very well.
And just to add to that on your question, I think it's also exercising your own empowerment.
Yes.
To access these technologies to help you in your health and body positivity journey. Because earlier I think the options were limited, they were not rooted in science, and they were not available in every locality for people to access, as Bhumi said. I think one of the things that consistently Kaya has managed to do is to bring best in class technology, have best in class dermatologists delivering the services, and constantly promoting this notion of empowerment, my choice, my skin,
Absolutely.
my hair, my body. So whatever I do in that journey, whether it's my lifestyle, whether it's exercising these scientific options, they go a very long way to creating my authenticity.
Absolutely.
And I think that is absolutely critical, and that is why we, are so delighted she's here, because that authenticity is exemplified by you as well.
Oh, thank you so much. That's really kind.
Nishant, what do you have to say about it?
So I think a lot of things already Bhumi and Doc has explained, but I'm very grateful of the fact that a couple of years back Kaya ventured into the body contouring space, and now again we are the torch bearers of bringing better technology, right? And now we've got a technology which is non-invasive, which has zero downtime. So you just have to have this one session, you can get up and you'll see the difference. So we're very happy that we've got Bhumi who also kind of believes in such technologies, which are also breaking the norms, as she said, right? So I think a very, very grateful event and delightful moment for all of us to bring this technology along with her, introducing it for the markets. And yeah, we're very happy to have you.
And
Thank
we
you
are
so much.
delighted to work with partners who bring in these technologies and allow us to service our customers as well. You know, so that's fabulous.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.